In this quick video, I am going to show you how to create tag teams in WWE 2K25. So first of all, we need to go to the options section and here go to roster, and under it we need to select edit teams, and now we need to press right stick on Xbox or PlayStation or F1 key on our PC to create a tag team. Once you press it, then you will see this interface. Here we need to firstly name our tag team. So I'll just name it here Brutal Stars, just like this, and then hit enter on your keyboard if you are on PC. Also you can choose your team affiliation, so I don't want to add it now, so I'll just leave it on none. And also you can choose your team announce name. I am simply leaving it as none. Now select the crowd reaction. If you want to have cheer on your entrance, then you can select it. If you want boo, then you can select it from here as well. Now add your first member of your tag team. So my first member is this, which is Undertaker, and now I need to select my second member of the tag team, which is AJ Styles. In my case, you can select any tag team member you want, and now we need to select it as tag, just like this. You can repeat the same process for adding multiple members here. You can add up to 5 members for your tag team. Now just save these changes and then your tag team will be added. So my tag team name was Brutal Stars. I just need to filter it by B, and you can see the Brutal Stars tag team is here. So this was the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.